Hi, I am Mahesh. I work at Poshmark. I'm going to talk about revolutionizing Poshmark's business performance through AI and data insights. Before we get started on the topic, I will give you a little bit of background on myself and talk about what Poshmark is and go through our technical architecture, followed by different use cases and different business units we empower through that AI and data insights. I've been with Poshmark for 7 years. I had data science, machine learning, data engineering teams. I, I built data infrastructure from ground up at Poshmark using through partnerships, open source, and homegrown solutions. Before Poshmark, I worked at a healthcare startup where I worked on providing care for patients who are losing eyesight. Uh, uh, when they have a high advanced stage of diabetes. Before that, I worked on a video streaming platform where we delivered video streaming for NFL Mobile, Winter Olympics at Fortune 500 companies. Um, Before getting started into the use cases and technology, I will give you a brief introduction of what Poshmark is. We are a two-sided marketplace, um, social commerce marketplace, where our users create products, share them, comment on different styles. During that process, they also do commerce transactions. We support a community of 100 million people in Canada and US. And our goal is to keep shopping simple, social, sustainable, and fun. Um, Delving into Poshmark's data architecture. So our application stack consists of on the production side, on the app services side, it we have a Ruby-based stack with MongoDB and different other tools are also being used there um, with Node.js and other application stacks. Um, we Poshmark applications send user events through Kafka pipeline, and it goes to our S3 data lake. And the data in the S3 data lake is consumed through EMR notebooks, Databricks, and all sometimes through Looker as well. And data through the event stream is summarized into Amazon Redshift. And we also have a transactional pipeline that takes data from our Mongo database and pushes it to Amazon Redshift. We use Airflow as our orchestration service, which runs thousands of ETL jobs. And for querying side, we use Amazon Redshift, Redshift Spectrum, Databricks, EMR, notebooks as well, along with the Looker. Depends on users of different data systems and their comfort with the technology. They pick a tool to use it. And our goal is to provide data for all the business units, whether they're technical or non-technical users. On machine learning and AI side, we use vector database, which is supported by open source implementation of Milvus. We also use Nextla to transport the data from our partners like USPS and Grid and Salesforce and push it into our data ecosystem Redshift. So as you can see, we use a wide range of technologies and languages and databases. So how does all of this come together and support our business? So I will talk about that in terms of different how data is used and AI used by different business units. We have growth, which uses uh, data and insights and AI to grow our business, not only through campaign management, effective running campaigns, optimizing SEO, and understanding the long-term acquisition of users and short-term acquisition, how it can project our business growth. On product side, through piping the data back into the product, we implemented several product features through both through AI and through data insights. something like visual search and post shows and customer insights. We'll get into that when I talk about that. And on operation side, we keep our platform very safe and sound for our users. We have different models and algorithms running to keep this platform safe. Both ATO models, spam detected models, and high advanced uh, analytics for our operations teams to play with, ensure platform is safe for our community. And we also empower our seller community through different data insights at platform level and also at their own project level as well. I'll talk about that. Okay, growth. So our growth managers run different campaigns on different partners, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. So when they spend um, when they spend money on the different campaigns, how do they analyze the efficiency of different campaigns, both short term and long term? So our systems pull the data from our partners and make them available within our business intelligence system through different means of visualization, either through Looker, Google Sheets, etc. And they can combine data sets from our partners and our own internal data sets, understand ROI of daily, weekly, monthly, yearly as well. Um, and they use that diligently and understand, improve the budget efficiencies, understand user behavior, and continue to tweak their campaigns. We have a unique way of growing our business through our catalog export. We have a catalog of 300 million listings that get exported to different marketplaces, Facebook Market, DPA, and also Google Shopping and other shopping places as well. And our users can search for these products not only on our platform, through our partners' platforms as well. And this export is done through data systems using both Spark and Scala, sometimes Python, depending on how the APIs are integrated with partners. On SEO side, we have used AI to improve search ranking and drive traffic, organic traffic. We have enriched our brand catalog and subcategory catalog items, enrich the SEO reach of those by improving content for those and able to drive the traffic. And we also reach our users through different ways of uh, in-app comms or push notification and email notifications. And we are able to use generative AI to craft personalized messages in our user communications. It also has shown good lift in uh, user interactions. Now I will move on to our product side. We recently introduced a feature called Posh Lens. It's a visual search. Users can simply take a picture of the item they are looking at and able to search for it on our platform. This helped us improve our search surface from just simply being a keyword search to a visual based search. And we were able to generate millions of more searches through visual search. 2 years ago, we also introduced a feature called Posh Shows. Predominantly at Poshmark, we sold a lot of the items through a catalog. Last 2 years, we were able to sell a lot more through Posh Shows as well. It's a live streaming platform where our community comes and sells different items on a live show and answer questions and interact with their own shoppers. This is the picture of the live show. And with live shows, we derive different data insights during the live show and after live show and empower our hosts to understand the performance of the live show and understand social value of the live show and improve their overall social influence. We also generate recommendations based on different actions users have taken on the platform. And we send those recommendations through both email, push notifications, and in-app notifications as well. And you see a sample of push notifications here. We, we have seen close to 10% business lift during our A/B test through recommendations. And our recommendations have provided a different surface for our users to interact with their interest and also engage with content in a different way. Okay, now I will talk about operations, how we are helping different operations teams to keep our platform safe for our users so they can not worry about fraud, other malicious intents, and freely do what they like to do, fashion, and also commerce transactions. So we have our own ATO prevention techniques that helps us monitor unauthorized access of accounts with advanced security and provide different security measures protecting our user accounts. These systems are developed through our in-house algorithms, and we have integrated this with our Spark-based streaming service, and we do real-time ATO preventions. That helped us not only gain the trust of our users, but also provide value to the users and making sure they feel safe with our platform. Sometimes some use spam detection, like the malicious actors will sometimes create content with intent of defrauding other users, and we have algorithms to identify that, and we also do great copyright protection using that as well. And these are also developed in a similar using our data stack. And we also do advanced analytics for our fraud and operations teams to understand how different parts of our market flywheel is performing and where different actions are happening and how different users are interacting with the users and if there is any malicious content as well. So, and this is how we support our operations teams. So sellers on our platform, we have millions of sellers who list, share, comment on every day, and their focus is create a different stream of revenue or just have fun with fashion or create a business for themselves. And for them, we support that with the 1P ads, and through 1P ads solution, they can actually see how their closet, which is a store on our platform, is performing, how many new users are coming to their platform, how many views a particular item has gotten, how many likes, how many sales they are getting. All of that is available through their closet insights. We also provide My Sales Report to all our users, understand how their closet is performing, how many items they have sold, and what is the average price. And they can slice and dice the data on our platform itself. We also provide platform-wide analytics so that our users can understand where the inventory gaps are. Based on number of searches users are doing for a certain item, what items they are able to find, what items they are not able to find. All of that is available to our users through a solution called Poshmark that is available on our homepage. So I talked about how our AI and data systems support different business units at Poshmark. We support growth, operational excellence, and helping our customers thrive. And we do beyond this as well. We support different other teams like our customer support and our one whom we call Poshers, like how to reach their own customers, etc. And you could use similar techniques or simplify techniques through partnerships to empower your own business through AI and data systems. Thank you for listening to me, and I would love to hear your experiences and answer any questions you may have, and through our Q&A session I'm going to be here for you to talk.